Today I'm going to go over common mistakes self-taught crochet and knitters make, and at the end of the video I'll be sharing one rare mistake that I made teaching myself to crochet and knit. 1. Not knowing where to begin, so just picking up any yarn and hook to start crocheting. This is one of the most common things I see when beginners start crocheting, is just pick whatever yarn and hook is most convenient at the time. Please do not do this, as it will set you back and make you have to unlearn bad crocheting and knitting habits. Number 2, not picking the right yarn. And what I mean by that is like trying to use a cotton yarn to make a blanket and an acrylic yarn for making wash rags. This is a bad crochet and knitting habit because your finished project will not turn out like you expected it to. The third mistake is picking stitches that are too hard to start with. This is another common mistake when crocheters and knitters start out. They pick stitches that look good instead of stitches that are for beginners. And if you want to go check out beginner crochet stitches, I have a tutorial over on my channel for 5 beginner crochet stitches that should help you out. Another mistake self-taught knitters and crocheters make is thinking that they do not have to learn crochet and knitting abbreviations because they can just watch a video for a pattern instead of reading a pattern. This will set you back because if you want to try a written pattern and not know how to read the crochet and knitting abbreviations, you will not be able to do written patterns. Another mistake self-taught knitters and crocheters make, instead of making a magic circle to work in the round, they make a chain 3, which is not the proper way to do it. When working in the round, it is important to start with a magic circle so that you can close off your project properly. And lastly, this is the mistake that I made myself, which is very rare, and I have not seen any other crocheter or knitter yet make this mistake. When I was learning how to crochet and knit, I watched YouTube videos. So I had a mirrored image of what I was supposed to be crocheting and knitting. So instead of learning how to crochet with my right hand, I wound up learning how to crochet with my left hand. Which set me back later on because when I wanted to do right-handed crochet patterns, I had to flip the pattern around, which made it 10 times harder to crochet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments below which one of these mistakes you have made and what other mistakes self-taught crocheters and knitters make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.